Are you ready to stop living like a ghoul and start living like a celebrity? Well, I'm here to help in this special Halloween episode of You Wish You Lived Here. With some celebrity inspiration and $1,000, it's time for a makeover. This is You Wish You Lived Here.
Hey, I'm Hannah and I need y'all's help so bad. I just moved into this space and fun fact, it's actually in a cemetery. The scariest part is this room. It's a mess. I need organization and I need help. Taylor Swift is my inspiration because I love her creativity and I need some of that in this space. So please send help fast.
Let's shake off the cobwebs and get to it. Hey, Hannah.
Hello.
Trick or treat. When I heard you lived in a cemetery, I just had to see for myself.
Come in.
I'd love to. Oh my gosh.
All right, here it is.
There's a lot of clothing here.
So this is my workspace slash closet. It's an office. I work from home. I'm a stylist and I make bathing suits.
You have like a wall between your work area and your bedroom, right?
Yes.
Very cool.
So here's my room. Beautiful window treatments.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm in desperate need of some storage, as you can see.
But it seems like you have yet to figure out what is the style that you want within your own home.
I mean, I guess you could call it a blank space.
Very clever. Speaking of Taylor Swift, tell me why you chose her as your celebrity inspiration.
I love her style, I love her personality, and I think she's a creative genius. And I could use some of that creative genius in here.
This room could totally vibe with that kind of style. Older properties can have incredible charm and personality. Right now, Hannah's place is just plain spooky. We'll replace those brown paper bag curtains with floral. We want to bring some of her class and style with pops of color. We'll add texture to the walls with some contact paper. Taylor is the queen of Shabby Chic, so we'll paint and distress Hannah's existing furniture and top it all off with some Taylor Swift-inspired surprises. Someone once said, "I'm intimidated by the fear of being average." Taylor Swift, she said that. And in that spirit, let's go make Hannah's place not average. Taylor Swift first learned how to play guitar from a computer repairman that happened to be at her house. We're gonna take this old guitar that we found for $30 and upcycle it into a shelf. Remove the front of the guitar using a handsaw. Sand down the edges to get a nice, clean look. Measure the width of the guitar where you want to build a shelf, and using balsa wood, cut shelves to fit inside of the guitar. Using a hot glue gun, install the shelves. Spray paint the inside whatever color you dig. Put it on the wall. Boom. Here's a photo coaster DIY. Print photos on regular paper. Cut out photos to the desired size of your coaster. Paint a thin layer of craft glue onto your tile and then place your photo on top. Place another layer of craft glue over the top of your photo. Let it dry for 15 minutes, and that's it. Want to spruce up a thrift store painting? Try this. Using alphabet stickers, write out your desired text in the lower third of the painting. Frame the area you'll be painting using painter's tape. Apply white paint, remove the letters. Ta-da! Look what you made me do. Hannah needed to take her graveyard getaway from haunt to flaunt in a way that's both charming and glamorous. Let's see what she thinks. Okay, Hannah, are you ready?
Yes.
Check out your new space.
Okay, can I?
Yes, open your eyes!
Oh my God! That looks amazing! It does not look like the same place.
We made your bed a canopy out of PVC pipes that we painted with a metallic copper.
Wait, so you guys made that?
Yeah, and we took your nightstand, gave it a new yet vintage look.
Thank you.
Online, we found a used guitar that was definitely way too out of shape to actually be played anymore, but we thought of a way to refurbish it for a way more useful place in your home.
Amazing.
Has it sunk in yet that this is your
No,
room?
I'm seriously in shock.
Taylor Swift's favorite place in her home is her fireplace. Found this for $70, gave it a fresh coat of paint, and added candles at the bottom to give it a nice ambiance for your room.
I love that.
I feel like I'm in a Manhattan apartment.
Yeah, penthouse maybe?
Yes! Want to see your new workspace?
Yes. It looks so good.
So you have a new inspo board.
Yes.
We brought photos from your life.
So cute.
Having these shelves is gonna give you so much room to put all the stuff that was on the ground onto a shelf. You can organize your things. This is, without a doubt, my favorite part of this room. Since it's Halloween, I feel like we need to get into the spirit.
Yes.
got all these T-Swift-inspired upgrades for $987.63. All treats, no tricks.
My new space looks so good. I love everything about it. The room just came together so well.
Aren't you dying to live here? Because I am. Stick around. Watch some more episodes if you wish you lived here.